I think I'm gonna do no baby hairs this time. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try.
It was all a lie, guys. It was all a lie. She lied.
Alright guys, so I went ahead and just used my hot comb to flatten out the top of the wig so it could be nice and flush. I think I'm gonna do no baby hairs this time. I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try.
It was all a lie, guys. It was all a lie. She lied.
So this is what we have going on. I'm gonna use these pinking shears to cut off the lace, and I'm gonna try to leave like a little bit of space so I'm not cutting directly on the hairline. I guess I'll cut half of it. I want to show my TikTok some of it, and I want to show y'all some of it, so I think I'm gonna do half and half. So that looks really good, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna cut off the other part, and then we're gonna go ahead and use our Even Wonder Lace melting spray to go ahead and give us a little extra melt. But honestly, I feel like you could probably get away with just not even gluing it down at all. But y'all know me, I'm gonna have to glue and melt something down. I'm gonna have to melt it down. That's just me. right, you guys, here is the completed look. This is what we came up with. That lace is melted down. Like, it is so undetectable. It looks so great. I didn't have to use any glues or anything like that. I only used my Even Wonder Lace melting spray. This is the active version, and it got me right. Like, girl, it was so quick and easy to install. I did do some curls in the hair, and they're still pretty tight, so it looks shorter. But as they fall, it's just going to, like, as you guys can see, look. As they fall and loosen up, it's just super, super, super gorgeous. My curling method is tried and true. Like, I love doing it. And Gorgius Wigs also sent me these like Bohemian style earrings. So I love how this look came out, y'all. If you guys want to purchase this unit, go ahead and use my code on the screen. If you want to help your girl, you know, get a little commission and save some coin on your wig, go ahead and use my code. It'll be on the screen and in the description box below. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about this unit in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in the next one.